This naughty parrot won't stop hitting on the sexy nurse. Listen to his dirtiest line yet. You'll be shocked. Keep watching.
Relax, Sonny. I'm just trying to locate the sensitive spot on your spine.
I'm hungry, Doc. Give me something good.
You need potassium, Sonny. You have to eat this whole banana right now.
A whole banana without chewing? I hope you're watching. Cluck, cluck. Oh, your hands are moving fast. What are you doing?
I'm generating heat, Sonny. I need to rub it out quickly before it cramps.
Rub it out! Don't stop now. I'm going to wrap. What's right to turn around? I like looking at your face.
It's better from behind, Sonny. I need to check your tailbone.
From behind?